Patel to Himanshu was like the matter came up for hearing today, and the court has been pleased to extend the stay order that was granted in the last week of hearing, and now the matter is fixed on 13th of March in the morning session. The Panchayat appeared in the matter and opposed any extension of the order, but however the court considered my request to extend the stay order. The stay order has been extended in view of the reasons given by the court why the order will be 16th of February 2026. So now the matter will come up for hearing on 13th of March, and they are told to file reply to my stay application as well as the opinion.
So at the Kinali hearing on.
As a matter actually for arguments by the PP, we had argued our anticipatory claim. But आज त्यांच्यानी एक ॲप्लिकेशन फाईल केला की ऑफेन्सेस वर कमिटेड प्रायर टू कमिंग इन टू फोर्स ऑफ BNS. And now they want to invoke the sections under ITC, not BNS. So they have replaced those sections, corresponding sections. आणि त्यांच्यानी थोडे ॲडिशनल सेक्शन्स काढल्या आणि they said that they want to file a supplementary reply. So matter is now fixed on 9th March for arguments.
सो ते लुथरा ब्रदर्सांची जी बेल ॲप्लिकेशन रिजेक्ट झाली ती तुम्ही किती आता हायकोर्टान बी घालपाक आसा
ते अजून आम्ही काय डिसिजन घेऊन नाही.